Lately, many people have been asking the same important question: what's the best way to remotely monitor and control an Android phone? A lot of people assume that apps like AnyDesk are sufficient. While AnyDesk is excellent for remote support and screen sharing, it was built primarily for technical assistance, not for the comprehensive monitoring and child safety features parents actually need. That's exactly where MSpy stands apart. Unlike general remote desktop tools, MSpy is specifically designed for parental control and remote monitoring. It gives parents deep visibility and control over their child's device activity, all accessible from a clean, easy to use dashboard on both mobile and desktop. In this video, I'll show you why so many parents trust MSpy over other solutions. Let's start with the powerful control features. With MSpy, you can remotely block apps, restrict websites, and even disable Wi-Fi directly from your dashboard. That means you can instantly limit access to distracting apps, harmful websites, or unsafe content, giving you real peace of mind. Another highly requested feature is remote camera and microphone access. You can take photos, record videos, or even listen to surroundings using the device's microphone. MSpy also offers live screen viewing, so you can see exactly what's happening on your child's phone in real time. Now, let's look at the monitoring capabilities. One of the most valuable features is real-time location tracking. You can view the current GPS location, check location history, and set up geofences around important areas like home or school. You'll get instant alerts when the device enters or leaves these zones. MSpy also provides advanced social media and messaging monitoring. You can track activity on WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, and many other apps. It also shows call logs, contacts, browsing history, and detailed app usage, giving you a complete picture of your child's digital life. Unlike AnyDesk, which mainly lets you view the screen, MSpy delivers deep, ongoing insights into both online behavior and real-world activity. This is why thousands of parents choose MSpy for long-term supervision and digital safety. Everything is thoughtfully organized in one intuitive dashboard. Instead of juggling multiple apps for tracking, blocking, and monitoring, MSpy brings all these powerful tools together in a single reliable platform. To learn more about MSpy, you can watch my latest MSpy review video by tapping on the I button. But here's a gentle reminder: always use monitoring tools responsibly, ethically, and in accordance with your local laws. Consent and transparency are essential. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more content on parental control apps, Android monitoring tools, and digital safety tips. Drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next.